this frame. Oh, shoot down there a little bit. Oh my god. Oh, I really don't fit in this frame at all. Okay, hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Tobie, and in today's video I am just going to be doing a hair tutorial. I literally have not done one of these, I don't know, in maybe like a year, and if I'm looking anywhere else but the camera, I'm staring at myself in the mirror, of course. So this honestly takes me like a couple of seconds, and people usually ask me a lot about my hair being curled and how often I have to curl it. I am really lazy, so my hair being this straight, like dead straight, is pretty impractical, even though I freaking love having my hair straight. It just, like, I'll have to re-straighten it over like 3 or 4 days, whereas if I curl it, it will stay curled for like the whole time. And yeah, everyone thinks I do it every day, but I don't because I'm lazy. So yeah, we're just in the comfort of my bathroom. I have my hair curling wand stick thing here. This is a Remington one. I don't actually know anything about this one. I did some research online like a couple of years ago about it, and this is the one I liked. I think it's a 1/2 inch barrel, I think that's what it's called. But this honestly takes me like 5 minutes, so I thought I would just show you guys how I curl my hair. So yeah, starting off with some straight hair that is brushed. So I just start off by taking little pieces like this, and then I just wrap it around and I leave it on for 15 seconds. And then that's the curl there. So I don't like doing it very high up because I don't want to lose length. As you can see, it only takes off a smidge of length. I still want my hair to be long, so I don't curl to the top. I just kind of curl from about here down. And also, if you've never used a curling one before, I would absolutely use a heat protecting glove because it is just not fun to touch it. I just kind of put the ones I've already done away. Also, another thing, you want to make sure that your hair is pretty like flat around it, otherwise it'll just look weird. So like just flat. You don't want to like really twist it. I twist it to the end sometimes because it's just harder, but I try not to twist the top bits. See how the bits that I curl, they come out like a little, you can't really see it, but they come out a little bit different, whereas these are like nice flat curls. Flat curls? No. Flat that way. And then as I get to the front, I take slightly bigger pieces because I want them a little bit thicker. Oh gosh, that happens quite often. I just let go of it, but just let it cool for a couple of seconds and then try it again. I hate when the bottoms look like that. Some people will actually straighten the ends to make it look like that, but I think it looks really weird. And then the front bit, I take this big massive chunk. Also, the bigger the piece, the longer I leave it on, because obviously it's harder to get the heat through. Now I think this one looks pretty cooked, so I'll probably redo that. But I never touch, I have really short bits at the front here. I don't touch them. I think it makes it obvious that there is a short bit there. Like, I don't want to curl it because it just will sit like back behind them anyway, so it looks kind of cool. And then I really can't do this side the same. I don't know why, but pretty much I just take the same size ones, but I wrap them around the other way. And just to check them out a little bit, like this bit's still straight. Okay, alright. The last important step is to turn it off, because you don't want to burn the house down. Alright, so it's really bothering me how soon this is. This is the finished look. I don't put hairspray in it. The only time I ever have to hairspray curls is if I'm using like one of them with a clip and then you twist it up around, or I'm using my GHD. They don't hold. These ones really hold. I don't know if I just have one of those like hair types that hold things, but I don't put any product in this. I would probably just run through it with my fingers. I mainly just play it with it all the time, so yeah. But I wanted to just quickly say that before I blow dry my hair, because this is just freshly washed. Normally I don't like to do it on freshly washed hair, but it seems to be working for me lately, so I don't know. So it just really depends on how your hair goes. But before I curl it, I have just put in this split remedy, which reduces up to 80% of split ends after 3 uses. I just like this one. Don't know why. I really like the Tresemme heat products, leave-in conditioners and stuff like that to keep your hair moisturized, hydrated. I don't know. But it is very important to take care of your hair, especially when you are using heat products, because it is damaging. But what are you gonna do about it? I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. Let me know if you want to see. Oh gosh, that's so attractive. Yeah, let me know what else you want to see. Leave it in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.